Are you looking to upgrade your LegalZoom plan and unlock more features for your business? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to upgrade your plan so you can get the full benefits LegalZoom has to offer. Whether you're looking to add extra services to get premium support, I'll walk you through the process step by step. To start, head over to the LegalZoom's website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, go to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Subscriptions. This will bring you to your correct plan overview. In the Manage Subscriptions section, you'll see a list of all the plans you currently have. Locate the plan you want to upgrade and click on the Upgrade or Change Plan option. This will open up a list of available plans that you can choose from. Now it's time to choose your upgraded plan. LegalZoom offers several different plans depending on what features you need, like access to legal support, business documents, or premium services. Review each plan carefully and select the one that fits your business goals. Once you have selected your new plan, you'll be asked to confirm the upgrade and enter payment details if necessary. Double check everything before confirming your choice, as any price difference will be reflected at this stage. After confirming, your new plan will be activated immediately. Before you finish, make sure you review the billing cycle and renewal terms. Most of LegalZoom's plans renew automatically, so it is important to be aware of when your new plan will be billed and if any additional fees apply. That's it. You have successfully upgraded your LegalZoom plan. By following these simple steps, you can easily access the tools and services your business needs to grow. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to LegalZoom's customer support. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more business tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about upgrading your LegalZoom plan. Share your experience with the plan you choose and how it's working for you.